Hello everyone. So today we are diving into another interview question. So the question is to find the element by using a linear search. So we use linear search algorithm to find the element. So they given one input array. So as you can see, the input array elements is 1, 4, 2, 11, 3, 7, 9, 8, 5, 10, 6, 12, and they given one target. So the target is 11 and we have to find this 11 element. So when we find, so we simply return the index value of that element. So our output is the element at index 3. So we can solve this question today step by step. And before solving the question, um, go to our playlist and check out all the previous videos related interview questions, and also subscribe our channel for more and latest updates. Also you can go to our website, that is codearrays.com, and check out all the project related data and information. So let's start the question. So before start the question, we can see what is a linear search. So a linear search is involves sequentially inspecting each elements in a list in order to find the element you are looking for. Means you can inspect each and every element in the array, and you can compare with that index. So the element is found, so you can simply return the value. If element is not found, you can traverse the whole array, so until you can find the element. If the element is not found in whole array, so you can simply return the -1. So we can see visually how it will work. So you can see we have to find the element of value 11. So we can check at the zeroth index. So we can check our zeroth index element is 11. So it is 1. So 1 is not equal to 11. So no. So the condition is false, and we can forward the our pointer. So then you can see when we forward the pointer. So in second index, you can see the element is 4 and our target is 11. So again the element is not found, so again you can forward the pointer. So you can see now also we cannot find the element, or the element is not matched. So again we can move forward, and now when we add the index number 3, so our uh, index element 3 is 11 and our target is 11. So 11 equals to 11, and we can find our element, and we simply return the index value. So how we can do this by doing the code? So we can write one function that is find, and in that we can take one for loop. So in for loop we can give a one condition. If our num of I equals to our target, int x means our target, so we can simply return the value. And if we not find the value, then we can return the -1. After that our target is 11, so you can see. So when we add the iteration number 1, so our initial value is 0, and after that in uh, initial value 0, or at 0th index, we can check if num of I means num of 0 is 1, 1 equals to 11, no. So again we can go to our for loop. So now our I value is 1. So now again we can check. So now num of 1 is 4 and 4 is equal to 11. No, so again we can go to the for loop, and now our I value is 2. Again we can check if num of 2 is again we can check our num of 2 is 11. So no, and we can simply again go to the for loop. Now our index value is 3, so I equals to 3, and now we can check num of 3 is 11 and our target is 11, so we can simply return the index value, so we can return the 3. So we can find this, but what if we don't have that element in our array list, and what is the unsuccessful condition? So we can see that also. So this is the normal array. So in that we have only 3 elements, so that is 1, 4 and 2, and our target is 11. So when we check at index number 0, so the element is not found. Again we can go to the for loop, and now the index value is 1, and when we check it also not found because the element is 4 at index number 1. Again in now our I is increased and the value is 2, so the 2 equals to 11 not found, and our array is now fully completed, and because of that we can simply return the -1 value. So we can do this code in our VS code also. So let's start. Okay, so let's start the question. So for that we can define one class. So in class we can define one main method. So in main method we can simply take a input, so int array, and we can take the all element. So I can simply copy this element and paste here, and now they given a one target, so we can take in target equals to 11. Now we have to write a method. So for that I write a method find element and pass the array and our target. After that we can simply define that method. So public static int find element and pass the argument, so int arr and int target. Now we have to write the algorithm for to find the element. For that we can take a for loop that start with the initial value 0, and our condition is I less than arr of arr dot length, and we can take if condition. So in that we can check our arr of I is equal to target, then we can return the index value, or else we can return our -1 if value is not found. So now we can store this data in int result, and to print the data we can use CSO statement. Before that we can take one if condition. So if result not equals to -1, then we can print system.out.println element is found at index, and simply print the result, and else we can print element is not found. So now we can run the program. So when we run the program, you can see element is found at index 3. Now you can see again element is found at index number 3. What if I change the target? So I can change target to the 15. So 15 is not present in the in the array. So now when we run the program, you can see element is not found. So our algorithm is correct and we can satisfy all the conditions. So you can try this question at your own and prepare well for interview. So up till now, thank you so much.